Hello guys, in this video tutorial I will show you how to create the assembly in A2Plus Workbench of the shock absorber. We have the first step. We have to save all bodies from previous lessons to the some directory in your PC. So let's choose the body, the screw, save it in FreeCAD file, okay, and let's close screw and open our initial file with bodies and delete the another bodies and save the nut. It will be the second detail for the assembly. Called it nut. Let's close and open again the assembly. This is not assembly, this is just all our detail in one document. So let's save the third support, save it to the support file, FreeCAD file, close it, and let's open again the file with all details. Let's delete the nut. And let's save the spring to the file, okay, and save. So now let's close it and let's create the new document and activate the A2Plus Workbench, and let's create the A2Plus file with assembly, save it, and let's paste here our details. It will be the screw, it will be the base detail, it will be fixed in the place, okay, and nut assembly, nut detail. Let's make the constraints for this. It will be set it here, and let's try to change the position. Because we have set the constraint, axis constraint, we can change only to axis position, change for nut. So let's add another detail, the spring, and let's add the support. And now let's set the constraints for our details. It will be for two surfaces, and let's set 0, 0 for X and Y, and let's choose this circle and this edge, or this for example, and let's set the axis constraint. Let's choose two surfaces, apply, and now we have our assembly. You can of course to change some dimensions for our assembly. Let's change the position of details. We can see that we have changed all detail together, the support, spring, and nut. Okay, so now let's open the spring for example, and let's change the helix. Let's set the radius some bigger, and let's save spring, Ctrl C S, and reload our assembly. We can see that our assembly is changed. It is very powerful trick because we can change any detail in assembly and it will be changed in A2Plus assembly. Okay, let's set 20 for example, and let's change the pitch of spring, and let's reload our assembly in A2Plus assembly, and how can you see we get our modification. So thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, goodbye.